Experiencing DirecTV Stream audio out of sync. That frustrating sound delay glitch ends now. This video delivers the exact solutions to fix your DirecTV Stream audio problems immediately. First, power cycle everything. Seriously, turn off your TV, your streaming device, even your router. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug back in. This clears temporary data and often resolves minor synchronization issues by forcing a full system refresh. If a simple restart doesn't perfectly align your audio and video, the problem might be within the DirecTV Stream app itself, leading us to method 2. Dive into the DirecTV Stream app settings. Look for any audio or sound options, specifically anything related to audio delay or AV sync. Adjust these sliders incrementally or disable any active audio enhancements. Sometimes these settings conflict with your device's native audio processing. Still got that annoying delay? Then it's time to check for updates, our third method. Outdated device firmware or an old DirecTV Stream app version can cause serious performance issues, including audio desynchronization. Ensure your smart TV, streaming stick, and the DirecTV Stream app are all running their latest versions. Updates often contain crucial bug fixes for these exact problems. Finally, if all else fails, method 4 addresses your device's main audio output settings. Access your TV or sound system's audio menu. Experiment with different digital audio formats like PCM or bitstream. Disable any digital audio delay or pass-through options. This forces your system to process sound differently, frequently resolving persistent DirecTV Stream audio out of sync issues for good.